Hello everyone, welcome to the Spanish for Kiddos podcast, where you can listen to fun bilingual stories and more. My name is Barbara. I'm the owner and fan of Spanish for Kiddos and your host for this summer reading camp. I'll be sharing fun bilingual stories throughout the summer to encourage the kiddos to read whether you're at the pool, the beach, or camping. So let's have fun. Today I'm going to share a cute summer story called How to Make S'mores, a summer camp story. Cómo hacer s'mores, un cuento de campamento de verano. And I think it's a great way to start thinking about summer reading if you are going into perhaps learning about more during the summer, or perhaps you're just taking a long break and then after a long break you want to pick up about summer reading to encourage the kiddos to just go back to learning to prevent the summer slide, which is loss of learning throughout the summer, or when the kids are just getting a little bit bored as they are going into later into the summer break. So these stories are great to bring them back and think about summer learning. So let's begin. They are at camp. They want to make s'mores. Who can they ask? Ellos están en el campamento. Ellos quieren hacer s'mores. ¿A quién le pueden preguntar? They will ask the moose for help. Can you tell us how to make s'mores? Oh no, Moose doesn't know. Ellos le van a pedir ayuda al alce. ¿Nos puedes decir cómo podemos hacer s'mores? Oh no, el alce no sabe. They ask the owl. The owl doesn't know either. Ellos le preguntan al búho. El búho tampoco lo sabe. So, in this brief story, you're trying to figure out how to make s'mores, and if you're having a little bit of a discussion and talk with the kiddos, how do you make s'mores? And it's a very simple recipe, if you will, right? You have some graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallow, and you heat them up. So depending if you are actually doing this at a fire pit, it's a great way to do it, right? Or you can do it in the microwave, of course, with adult supervision. But in this story, and the way you make s'mores is a specific sequence of events. And that's how you make s'mores, right? You wouldn't just start by melting the marshmallows to put it on, for instance, a melted chocolate. You want to start with the base, and there's specific instructions. So towards the end of the story, there's actually a cute activity that is asking our friends here at camp, do you know how to make s'mores? So here are the ingredients, and when you see the ingredients, there's actually a cut and paste activity. ¿Tú sabes cómo hacer los s'mores? Aquí están los ingredientes. How do you start? ¿Cómo comienzas? What comes next? ¿Qué viene después? And so there's a little bit of prompt in there to ask the kiddos, okay, so how do I start? What's the first thing you want to do? And then if you want to, you can cut the pieces in there to begin to make the s'mores, or even more fun would be to actually grab the ingredients and make them yourself for a fun, delicious treat at the end. But first, you take 1 graham cracker. Primero, tomar una galleta de graham cuadrada. Then, place a chocolate square on top. Después, colocar encima un chocolate cuadrado. Gently roast the marshmallow on the campfire. Suavemente tostar el dulce esponjoso sobre el fuego. Next, add another graham cracker square. Enjoy! Luego, añadir otra galleta de graham cuadrada. Disfrutar! So that's one way to do it. And of course, this is if you're at a campfire and you are together, of course, maybe with a group, that's a great way to do it, and actually even talk about what are those steps that you took to make the s'mores, those delicious treats. Of course, like I said, you can do it in the microwave with adult supervision, that you can help the kiddos how to do that. And there are specific key terms in there. For instance, I talk about first, then, gently next. So those are specific clues that can tell you how to make something, how something happens in a sequence. And in addition to that, because it is all about summer and summer camp, there's also a cute little bilingual camping bingo that you can play there, along with the fun things that you can learn about summer objects in there as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this fun story, more of an interactive reading that you can do in English and Spanish so that you can learn how to do s'mores and what are those sequence of events that you can take. And it's not just this particular one, there's many other ones that you can do as well. And I'll be sharing as well during the summer some other fun activities that you can do. Make sure to check out our summer reading challenge that is starting here for this month and throughout the summer, so that you can get more free printables, more activities, prizes, and more fun things to do during the summer so that you can encourage the kiddos to keep on reading. Thank you so much for listening to the Spanish for Kiddos podcast. I hope you join me for another fun bilingual story in English or Spanish. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.